Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Uh, Let me introduce myself. My name is Usman Ralibi. I'm from Industrial Engineering Department. I want to present my research under title Internalization of Local Wisdom Value in Handling the Waste of the Stone Handicraft Industry toward a sustainability industry. Small and medium industry are one of the strategic pillars of driving the economic growth, but can hurt the environment, especially if the use of the resource is carried out without responsibility. It will decrease the quality of the environment, and in the end, it will not be sustainable. This research was conducted to preserve and balance the environment so that human life and the business it is developed can be sustainable. The purpose of this research is to release the business actor to like aspect of the natural resources sustainability with waste minimization and internalize social aspect toward an environmental friendly industry as local wisdom value. The approach method used is to investigate the concept of local genius whose constituent variables have not been tested before. The collected data is processed and analyzed using the cradle-to-cradle concept by modeling industrial process in natural processing, known as the biomimetics approach. The test results show that the variable forming the structure of the local genius concept significantly contributed medium and small enterprise performance. The research background, I will just to read it briefly. Uh, Sacrifice the landowner, environment limits, social inequality, environmental management policy, protection of environmental quality based on quality standard or environmental image criteria, protection and restoration of biodiversity, currency of the stability and safety of the overburden ponds, tailing, ex-mining land, and other rock structure. Use of the ex-mining land according to its allotment, so local social and cultural value. The problem statement. The first one, a need for assessing the current environmental impact of the selected product. To reduce the environmental impact of the product, it is very important to include the product design improvement based on life cycle analysis result. The objective, uh, the objective of the study intends to answer the research question as discussion of the previous subsection in order to present of the relationship between the research question and the research objective. The research question is what are the environmental impact of the stonecraft industry? So the research objective to assess the environmental impact of the stonecraft industry. The research question, what are the appropriate design for X concept that can be used to reduce the environmental impact of the product based on life cycle analysis result? The research objective to propose informed recommendation of the product design based on of the life cycle result. So the third research question, how to assess the environment impact of the uh, multi-level cycle product using multi-life cycle assessment. The research objective to establish the contemporary guideline for assessing the environmental impact on multi-level life cycle product with the CALP multi-life cycle assessment to apply the multi-level cycle assessment methodology to assess the environmental impact on the multi-level cycle product. The research methodology, this research method consists of the three important phases. The first phase is assessing the environmental impact of the product through the life cycle assessment. This phase consists of four steps. The first one, define goal and scope, life cycle inventory, impact assessment, and interpretation of the result. The second step is analyzing the exciting design of product for purposing the multiple life cycle usage. Then it is continued to compare exciting design of product, which product structure, material selection catalyst. This step is parallel with evaluating the ease of disassembly and product and material selection. The third step is a propose the design for X to redesign the product. There are three design for X will be applied. The result, the first one, estimate magnitude impact. Each step is suspected that underset meaning activity will have an impact on topography change, namely the topography to become safe. This is caused by the extraction of meaning code underset zone. That's not in accordance with the rule of meaning the correct zone. If the topography becomes safe, it will trigger landslide and large level or erosion. In this initial environment baseline condition to topographic environment, QRT scale category code with a gentle slope. The characterization slash assessment of substance that contribute to the impact category in the protection of zone cycle or so on in the table following. You can read the table. The following is the result of the life cycle inventory for student handicraft objective at the center of the STEM industry. Uh, this is the diagram. The material used, stone powder, rocks, flakes, rock water. The function is the raw material for the manufacture of various handicraft products and accessories. The material weighs when the function gives strength and holds together powdered rock particle. The black pigment function to give a natural stone black color. Fog glue or straws the function rock powder particle adhesive, the Gibson function accelerate drying process, and the water the function in mixing the dough. This is the rule of the mother in the village in the utilizing stone waste to be used as aggregate as raw material for product development. Yes. The process that the first one, the modeling. The modeling is very concept with the concept of product design because product design is a pioneer on the key to the success of product in penetrating the marketing and the preparing ground in marketing. Designing is product mean reading the market in this activity because they happen to be in a temple area. The emphasis on product design is focused on the appearance of temple ornament, which are deliberately designed two-dimensional and the three-dimensional model. The mixing, the second step, uh, mixing is the processing to combining several material as listed in table 1. The composition of material is making temporary and stupa as well as accessories and interior handicraft product. The second step is charging. The next step to the enter duct into the mold that has been prepared in the following step. The molding is cleaned and put into the tray, much by paying attention to the contour both on the mold and the contour. The molding and further procession will result the poor printouts. Drying and detaching. The drying function is to harden the dust in the molding so that will provide convenience when the product will be removed from the molding without causing crack or other damage. The removal processing is carried out carefully even though the molding has good flexibility or elasticity. The finishing. Uh, The stake is the